Here we go, for the boys. Cheers. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm gonna do my rear motor mount quickly. Whoa, focus, there we go. I'm gonna do my rear motor mount quickly to see if it takes the vibration off the clutch pedal. So here we go, into today's fixing problems. Here we go. Ooh. Got it out. Yeah, I don't know. new one. Rashid, thanks a lot, appreciate it. So let's put this thing in and see how it goes. So new mounting is in, well, new one. It's been redone, remolded, recasted, whatever you want to call it. Just hand tightening the bolts quickly, and then I'm gonna torque them down to spec, and then we'll see if the vibration is gone on the pedal or not. Update you guys just now. Okay guys, mounting is in. Old one. Let's feel this pedal. Okay guys, so the vibration is much less on the clutch pedal, but now when I leave the clutch pedal, the whole car is vibrating now. So I don't understand. Maybe I should just pull the engine and see. Take the motor apart. Hopefully it's not something bad, but I hope it's something that's quickly fixable, because the vibration on the pedal is much less now. So and when I push the pedal in, it's completely gone. So yeah, I just really hope it's not bad, really bad. So yeah, thanks guys, see you in the next one. Cheers.